Hey exclusive baddies, this is BP Exclusive, and today's video we are going to make a utility jacket. So I've always wanted a utility jacket. I've been seeing them everywhere online, like it was like trendy, like it's still really trendy as well this year, even though like the year just started, and I really wanted to make one, so I made one. Let me just backtrack for a second. Hi exclusive baddies. I know I have been gone for a minute, like 2 months, and this is my first video of the year. Happy New Year, everyone. I'm real late. This like basically January is almost over and I'm like talking about Happy New Year. But yeah, I'm so sorry I've been gone. I've been like really just like in my head. I don't know, I just been not focused in doing YouTube, and I really love doing YouTube. So I'm making sure this year that that I do YouTube more, and that I try to make it like something that is like priority to me and to my life and the goals I want to accomplish this year. And so yeah, so I am back, you guys, and you will be seeing a lot of me. I have a whole bunch of videos lined up, so hopefully that helps me stay in the groove of YouTube and like filming and all that. And but yeah, so don't forget to follow me on social media. I'm on Instagram, it's BP Exclusive, and I'm on Twitter _BP Exclusive. Those are only two I have right now. I kind of deleted the other ones because I feel like I do too much social media, and then now I'm addicted to TikTok. So if y'all be on TikTok talk about some renegade, y'all, that's me. If y'all see a video, I'm kidding. But yeah, so I'm doing a lot of rambling, but I really want to show you. It's a really long jacket. I actually use fabric that I already had at home. Like I have a lot of scrap fabric that I don't necessarily like think about reusing and stuff. So I want to reuse a lot of fabric that I already have at home that I haven't used, that I have like yards of. So yeah, so this is what I came up with, and I freaking love it. I can't wait to style it up with some heels, and you know, like I don't know, it's so freaking cute. Like these are real pockets, like real pockets, you guys, real pockets. I made my own pockets. It was so hard, but without further ado, let's get into the video. So first, I'm using an old t-shirt, an old baseball tee that I got from a thrift store a while ago. I never used it, so I'm gonna use that as my pattern. And then here's the denim fabric. And I'm also going to be using this fabric too for the front of the jacket. For the front. That's how it's going to look. So first, I put the sleeves inside of the jacket, and now I'm going to cut everything out.
being selfish. You deserve some Jordans, you deserve a foreign. We was down and we was out and we was hurting. She should've bagged you when she had you, now she wondering. Getting money, now we all up in our Birkin. Catching flats and catching feelings while we swerving. And these niggas go front and they bitches go hate. And you know I don't care what they say. Cause I remember the time when you went on your grind and stayed at home and pray. We gon' pull out, we gon' hop out, we gon' flex. You put them diamonds on my finger, they on your neck. And don't you worry about a nigga disrespect. Cause we gon' get the money, gon' get the check. I need the cash, need the cash, need the cash now. I'm moving fast, do the dash now. No, I go summer now, I got a nigga now. And he my king and he the gold and he gon' hold it down, yeah. There's nothing I won't do, just spend my life with you. You gon' be the one, you gon' be the one, you gon' be the one, yeah. There's nothing I won't do, just spend my life with you. You gon' be the one, yeah. You gon' be the one, yeah. You a boss, babe. You know I laugh at these niggas who tried to have me. You from the projects, but you so smart, babe. Just give me all of your love and no need to fight it. Never got me counting all them.
So we're gonna sew these. I keep doing that. We're not sewing the arms shut. We're sewing this and this and these two together. Alright guys, now let's create the pocket measurements. Measurements for the big pocket: 1 1/2 for the center pleat, 8 1/2 for the big pocket flap, and 9 3/8 with it stretched out. That is how you're going to cut it out of the fabric, stretched. You don't want to cut it out the actual size of the pocket flap, like if this was, because you need to create this pleat here, which is this here. So the way I created that, this is 1/2. So I basically marked down the mid center and made it 1/2. I'm 1 1/2. Marked out 3/8 of an inch on either side. I marked it at the top, middle, bottom, so I can create these lines so I can do my fold. Once you do that, you do your fold. And that's how you get the pocket flap measurement in the actual size of the pocket. So that is that. And you're gonna cut this out of your fabric, but the stretched out. You cut it out stretched out, and then you do the pleats on it, and then you want to sew. You want to sew right down, like first press it out with the iron, then sew lines going down so that you can create your pleat for your pocket. Once that's done, you get another piece of fabric out of what you already, this here, you're gonna basically do the same thing inside out and put it inside out. So all I did was take my pleated side and a regular piece of the fabric, the same measurement as my pleated side, and just sew a line going all the way around, and then flip it right sides. Well, you can keep it this way, fold it down and sew it all around. So then when you flip it the right way, you have a pocket. And this measurement for that is, I already said, is 8 1/2. So you just, I think I just did like 2 or 3 inches. I think this is 2.5 inches in width. So I added like an inch seam allowance, or no, 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch seam allowance, I believe. Measurements will be listed in the link below, so make sure you check that out. And you double this. So 2 of these make it longer so that you can fold it and have and sew it inside out, and then flip it right sides and sew it again. I'll demonstrate that as well. But yeah, then that's the pocket. And after you do the pocket, then that's when we're gonna go in and sew them on to our jacket. So like last step, you're just gonna sew the pockets on. I'm trying to figure out how I want them set up. I'm probably gonna put that little one on that side and put the other big one. It's gonna go on this pocket. But I'm gonna show you guys how I sew the pocket, so you see like the visual of everything. Louie. I am like exhausted. I haven't took off my makeup from work. I got off at literally at 11, and I literally came here and started working on this jacket. So I can't wait to style it. I'm probably gonna style it with my denim shoes. Let me get them. I just want to see how it looks. Denim shoes. Like I want a long sleeve like hoodie dress kinda like, but I know I'm gonna do these boots. Ooh, they look crusty. do these boots. So it look cute with those shoes and like a big black hoodie. We shall find it. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can hot glue them. Cause I kind of don't want to go buy another needle tomorrow. I kind of want to upload this video and then I can go back and sew it. So I think I'm gonna hot glue it, see if that works, and then I'll go back and sew it. But I want to do the try on and do this video because this has taken me forever to do this freaking video. So 1 second, I'm gonna hot glue the hemline. You know what, I'm just gonna try it on because I don't really need to do the hemline right now. So that's what we're gonna do. So let me get back to you guys so I can do this outro.